Welcome back. It's Disclosure Day in D.C. The truth is out there, and today, out in the open.
Well, after months of anticipation, the Department of War has released the first batch of what they're calling the UFO files.
There is a form of alien life and machinery which maybe brought this living creature here that interacted in some form with people?
Yeah.